Hi guys, good afternoon. How are you all doing? Hope you are good. This is another test, guys. Just begin. See how we do it. So lovely, and it's also easy. Everything I always bring to you is easy headwrap. So, guys, you can also do this. No, it's not hard. So always give it a try. Any style you saw, so always make sure you give it a try. So you can do it. You can do it perfectly. Even more than her, you can do it. So just continue watch. Alright guys, you can see, make sure you do that your step. Make sure you do it very well. Make it neat so that it will look attractive. So you make it neat. It's not easy for me to use the front, as in to back the baby and be doing it. So it's not easy at all. Supposed to use the front, but due to the way I position my phone, so alright guys, just continue watching. We are going to pin that place down. Pin it down a little. Okay, now the other side too. I'm going to pin that place also, and also pin that place too. You can see how I'm doing it. Alright guys, let's continue watching. Hope you get this step. Now we pin that place also. So we are going to raise the step. We'll raise it little. Yeah, you can see the picture of the hairstyle you've seen it. So you're going to raise the step. You raise it. You use your hand to raise it. So that place, just suck it inside. Then use your pin to knit that place. Alright guys. Yeah. So the reason why I use bow is that you see that place, we will not allow the rubber to just show like that. So we need to put something there so that it will look more attractive. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow me. Alright guys, follow my Facebook page and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you all, both the returning viewer and those that are still seeing my video for the first time. I thank you all guys. You are the best.